Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm trying to make some YouTube videos about making some projects, one of them being a Pong game made with these 8x8 LED matrices, and I have 6 of them. I'm going to tape them together with some clear sticky tape. And yeah, I have started this project a little bit. It's going to be like daisy chained together, and this will be the scoreboard, I think. And I'll control the paddles of the Pong with these potentiometers, and it will be two-player game. It will be controlled by this Arduino. As you can see, my soldering isn't really that great. I have almost no experience in soldering, so this is what my solders look like. Not great, but at least I think they will work. So now I have connected more of these panels together. So next I'll take these pins out and complete this. So I'll take these pins out, and also from these and this one. Okay, so last time I recorded I have finished this. And then I have made these knobs for these potentiometers, and only thing I need is to lengthen those wires and make a casing for this. I have made an Arduino program for this. My brother helped me with making it. But yeah, as you can see, I turn this knob and this knob. Okay, so now I have the game thing kinda finished up. I'll just plug it in. And yeah, here's Pong. And I have made another game too, which is like spaceship game. Let's just wait while it loads. In this game the ships shoot one after another, and the points are, or the hits are counted. If this ship is hit, the point will go there, and if this ship is hit, it will go there. And it will go up to 10, or I can change it somewhere here, I don't remember where. And if you want to reset it, you have to open it up, and it is totally not held up with just electrical tape. It's still a bit incomplete, or it's still work in progress, and it's totally not held up on the inside by the completely electrical tape. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and bye.